Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And tonight we have another install video for you guys. And those of you that are new to the channel, the last time that I had to put a windshield in, it took us a long time to figure out what we wanted to do. If we wanted to go poly or if we wanted to go glass. Well, in the end, we went with poly, but we kind of regretted that and we wanted to go with glass. So this time we're going with the glass. It's more expensive, but I think in the end I'm going to be a lot happier with it. And what we ended up picking up was a bent metal windshield, and it's pretty cool. Comes with a wiper kit, wiring harness, rocker switch, okay, wiper blade. Then it has a nice little wiper motor right here, okay. And then, like I said, it's glass. And then these are pretty cool. It comes with vents. So if it's colder out and you don't want the air to come in the front windshield, you can close it just like that. It's hot out, summer night like it is tonight. Keep it open. You'll get some nice airflow in there, and hopefully it doesn't get too hot in there. We originally were going to go with a half windshield, but we figured why spend $200-300 on that? Put that money towards this. And then at least we'll have that. And then maybe down the road, if we don't like it and it's too hot during the summer months, we can go ahead and get that half windshield. But we wanted to put the money towards this first because this is a big purchase. And we had a couple selections that we could have made. We could have went with the factory windshield from Can-Am, but from going, from looking at other videos and reading other reviews, it's not an easy install. It's very intensive. So we kind of wanted to get away from that. This seems pretty easy. Basically, it's just going to sit on there, and then it has 4 straps, 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. And then it's just going to lay right in here and strap right to the cage. So we'll probably have to take this roof off. We're going to have to take that seat and all that stuff out again to run this wiring harness. And this is just going to hook up right where we've been hooking the other stuff up at. A little bus bar down there in the middle. So I think what we'll do, it's pretty much common sense on some of this stuff. So maybe we'll do a time lapse, and then when we get to something that we want to show you guys, we'll go ahead and we'll stop, and then we'll show you what we want to show you. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll go from there. So we got that on. You want to make sure that you get this tucked in behind this plastic here. That way it has a nice fit to it. And then you're just going to put your straps right here. And then the same thing on this side. You're going to put your strap there. And then there's 2 straps in the middle up there. And what we had to do was, over here, show them, Mikey. We took off the straps. These were the straps for the roof. We took these off and just used the straps from the windshield, and we hooked this all together up here for the top of the roof. Because these straps, when they were on there, they were in the way of these straps, so it wasn't long enough. So we just removed these. These would be our spares. Put that on there, and it fits pretty good now. So you guys can see, kind of shown. And then what we're going to do is, next thing we're going to do is we got to run this wire. So we're probably going to hook the wire in here and just run it all the way down here. Then we're going to have to take this apart and this apart. So we'll probably have to take off these 2 screws and these 2 screws. And then we'll kind of feed the wire in through here. And then we'll probably just come out right here, probably be the easiest. Either there or over there. We have like 2 slots left up here on the dash. We have a couple down here. But we'll probably either put it there or over there. I haven't made up my mind yet. We'll see. Probably be easier just to put it there and go from there. So we'll go ahead and we'll get that all done, and then we'll show you what that looks like. Yeah, there's a hole right there. Perfect. Yeah, that'd be nice. One there. And we'll put one here. That's going to conceal the wire. Let's go ahead and get this all ran here. And then this is going to go behind here like that. And then we'll be set. Alright, we got this about wrapped up here. Got the wiper on. Got it all wired. And ready to test it out. So basically we just had to adjust this right here. It's just 2 Allen wrenches to get your proper angle. And then to adjust the length, there's just a little tab under here, and we just pulled it out. And it's pretty close to where we want it. And then you just tighten this set screw. And we're gonna put this cap back on. And we should be good. So let's show them what we did in here, Mikey. You can go over there on that side and show them. So you guys can see. I just went ahead and zip tied it up there, ran it down there, put a zip tie there, ran it through here like we showed you earlier. And then right there is the switch. All right, so next thing we're going to do, we'll just see if this, see if it works. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Lights up just like your stock Can-Am lights, and there we go. That's low, and we got high. Nice. Gets pretty good coverage. There we go. As you guys can see, the view is pretty good here. I like it. So let's go ahead and show them the outside real quick so they can see it again. Very nice fit, not hard at all. Maybe took, I don't know, what, 45 minutes, an hour. We're taking our time, so it didn't really take that long. I think next thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll probably put a washer kit in here so we can spray some water on there, so we don't have to pull over it when we're in the trails and it gets all muddy and gets all streaked up. We might put a washer pump system on this unit next, but we'll see. And then I don't know if you guys can see these vents. They're actually the color of the RC. You get different colors to match your unit. So if you don't have the RC, you can get these to match, or you can just get them black if you want. I thought that was pretty cool. So in the winter time we can keep those closed depending on temperature. But that was one of the main reasons why we want this windshield, because it actually has a vent, so if it does get hot, we can get some circulation through there. Plus with the back net, that should help out too, and dust. So, but we got this from Bent Metal. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. So if you guys are interested in that, you can get this whole windshield. Comes with the wiper kit, or you can get one that doesn't have the wiper kit. It's a little bit cheaper. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Kind of helps us out. So if that's it, see you on our next one.